Hello everyone. This is continuation of two-sector economy, and now I will be discussing about investment. And investment refers to the purchase of those fixed assets which increase productive potential of an economy. For example, purchase of machinery, technology and tools is basically investment. In two-sector economy, investment is considered as autonomous and it looks like this. Because it does not depend upon income, autonomous investment looks like this, and this is origin point. We have investment on y-axis and we have income on x-axis. So this is I naught, means if we are investing $1,000 as an autonomous investment, then we have to invest it at zero level of income. Even if income increases, we will be investing the same amount. If income is now y1 or it is Y2, it does not affect autonomous investment. And you might be thinking, what kind of investment is autonomous? For example, basic infrastructure, investment on basic infrastructure to erect machinery like construction of roads, investment on infrastructure within the factory premises, and these are kind of investments which are mandatory and they are compulsory to initiate a business. This is why every business has to invest some amount of money, taking into account the basic needs of the business, and they are not dependent upon the income. Investment is affected by multiple factors, and I'm going to write down those factors here. And factors that affect investment include, first of all, consumer demand. Sometimes consumer demand is really high. When consumers' demand for certain product is high, investment in that kind of industry will definitely increase. And secondly, rate of interest is another factor that affects investment. Rate of interest determines cost of borrowing. Basically, when rate of interest is low, investors get more loans and they feel more comfortable getting loans from financial institutions and they invest more money. And in the same way, when interest rate is low, people feel that saving is not worthwhile, so they will invest that money into some business instead of keeping it with bank account. Third point is advancement in technology, and advancement in technology is definitely an incentive for investors to invest in new technology, and investment definitely increases. And the fourth factor is government policies. And government policies include like regarding taxes and subsidies. If government provides more subsidy to the investors, then investors will feel comfortable investing in new ventures, so investment will rise. And if government imposes higher taxes, then definitely it discourages investors. Economic growth is another factor that affects investment. If economy is growing, then definitely investors feel that aggregate demand in economy will rise and consumers will be in the position to consume more money because they will be having employment and they will be able to purchase greater quantity of goods and services due to high income. So these are multiple factors that affect investment in an economy.